Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build one of our weld-it-yourself first-gen Tundra front winch bumper kits. So we've pre-assembled some of the pieces. Some of the pieces are already tacked together. Some of them you'll have to weld. So the winch plate is already tacked in. These bracket plates are already tacked in, ready for you to weld. All of this will be fully welded. Everywhere you can weld, make sure to wrap all these corners. Weld all these support tabs. Get in there the best you can in each corner here. Then next, over here, these are all the rest of the other pieces. So next, you'll get the side pieces. And there's two ways that you can do this. You can either make yourself a jig, like this one. You could use maybe a piece of angle iron. I'd recommend at least 4" by 1/4". 6" would be ideal, and then you can make yourself a jig to clamp it in when you're welding. Or what you can do is bolt the brackets onto the truck, bolt the centerpiece to the truck, and then you can fit up the pieces as you go along the truck, but we prefer to do it in the jig so you don't get sparks on your truck, but either way works if you don't want to buy a jig. So next will be these side pieces. So these you'll just clamp in, and once you tack weld it here, you can tack weld it there, and there's a little bit of a gap, but once you tack it you can pull it in and work it a little bit. It's all pretty close. That piece, same thing for the other side. Next we're going to have our corner piece, and your end cap is already tacked on. You're just going to have to weld that up. So that fits up right here. Again, I'd start where it's flat, clamp that, tack it, and then if it's not, if there's a little gap, you can bend it and work it a little bit. Just start where it's flat and work your way up the seam. And then last we got these kind of filler pieces. Gotta make sure. Once you have that in there, these go like that. You just have someone help you, and this will be easier once that's tacked in. We're just not tacking it for the sake of being able to sell this one as a kit. So fit that one up best you can right there. And over here we have the mounting brackets. So on the bottom of your frame there's two holes where the tow hooks would bolt through. You're going to unbolt if there's anything there, unbolt it. Bolt these on, bolt these through. There's another bracket that comes off your frame that these will go to. And then these three holes are what you use to mount the bumper to the truck. We'll include that grade 8 hardware, but you'll need to weld all the gussets along these brackets. Weld all the inside and out of these triangles, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoy our bumper, and hope you buy the kit if you're interested in it. Thank you.
Alright guys, thank you for watching that video. If you want a bumper of ours, you can go to automailindustries.com or follow the link below. If you have any questions, you can also follow the email address or the phone number that's going to be in the description below. And we'll see you next time.